Hi viewers, Samarnath Capital Mart Academy. So today Nifty 15 point plus at 24,302 and Bank Nifty 14 point plus with closed at 53,103 and Nifty IT 111 point positive closure with 37,725. So actually today Bank Nifty have tanked very significantly, like yesterday how it came up, that same similarly it should have come down actually. It's all because of, it should have happened HDFC but not happened because of ICICI Bank. So in the same sector, one is dragged the market but another lifted the market. So at the end it flatly it is closed. So that is helped the Nifty actually. So if HDFC ICICI Bank doesn't give support, today we can see both Nifty Bank and Nifty both have a very big downfall. And as well as if you see Nifty in Nifty IT, Infi supported very well. So that supported the Nifty marginally at positive closure. But anyway, it made a very all-time high today. It's because of Infosys. That's why I say yesterday it made an all-time high. HDFC Bank, it is the reason. And today Infi, maybe tomorrow Reliance may support and make another all-time high. Let us see. And this history see here. So HDFC Bank 2.35 point, it's negative. See here, after the gap, even yesterday it was very good progress. Even it little bit corrected. Even we closed to 900 point positive closure yesterday. And yesterday clearly I told that this is the breakout range. So actually the breakout point, it has to travel, but it had a gap up. So I said that the gap up is not reliable because the breakout should be traveled, then only it will be reliable. But it has made a gap up, so we cannot rely this. I said yesterday statement. So exactly happened today. So it completely came down. So this negativity offsetted by the ICICI Bank, 2.61% it is positive closure. So actually this negative downfall result is offsetted by the ICICI Bank. So that's what I said. And if you see the sectors, is a mixed result. Some sectors are positive and some sectors are negative. And if you see the mid cap is very good positive, and next 50 mid cap, small cap and micro cap all are positive closure. And if you see the ICICI Bank today supported the Nifty 48 point positive closure, positive contribution. It's because of Infi also very good positive contribution. See here the HDFC Bank 16 point negative contribution. So it is almost offsetted by ICICI Bank and IT. So today 2007-88 stock traded, in which 1527 stock positive closure, 1175 stock negative closure, and 86 stock prices unchanged. So this is very good gap, and this is very good number. It's all because of mid, small and micro cap, all are, we saw that positive closure. Now we will see the Nifty chart. So Nifty had a little bit of gap down, and it well traveled actually. If you see at the point, it is 100 point, it is positive, it has gone traveled positively, but couldn't able to sustain because of HDFC started coming down. So this also it has come down 100 point, it has come down, and somehow it had a recovery in the total day, it was in the sideway, and then marginally positively it has closed. So quite early volatility we can able to see that. Then the entire day was in the sideways market. And if you see the overall trend, though all the three last candles looks red, but all the days Nifty had a good progress, touched the all-time high. Only from the open it has it little bit down, so that's why it red. But all the day it has a positive closure with every day all-time high it has touched. So the same thing we expect tomorrow also. Let me see. And if you see the max spin and the weekly counter, the max spin is 24,300 and PCR is 9.0. The India VIX fear index 12.9. So 0.4 point it has come down. So it clearly shows that the market have a very good positive sentiment. And if you see on the monthly contract, the PCR is 1.42, still very good bullishness, and the max spin is 24,000. The spot is 24,300. And if you see the bank nifty, you can see that very big candle, but there is no much trade here. There is no trade at all. We can see that just it made an impression, that's it. But from the flat opening, we can say that it has progressed a little bit, but then it is drastically it has come down. If you see from this point 180 point, it has traveled higher, but from there couldn't be able to sustain 400 point, it has come down. Again at the rest of the day, it gradually almost it recovered that loss. So because of this, the bank nifty just we can say a little bit of positive closure, we can say flat closure. And if you see the overall trend, the nifty, bank nifty still have a good positive sentiment. The momentum is still very good. Let me see again, HDFC Bank, whatever the gap it had made, it filled it. Now if it tried to move progressively, then we can expect the bank nifty again go all time high. And based on the weekly contract, the PCR is 1.08, max pen is 53,000. And if you see on the monthly contract, the PCR is 1.18 and the max pen is 52,000. Mid and small 400, one of the important index to me. And this is the collective index of mid cap 150 and small cap 250. Both the index collectively, it's a single index, mid and small 400. So if you see this index, it has had a very good gap up and traveled further, but couldn't be able to sustain. Again, it has come down to the level. This you can see here. But from that, after that, it has very good recovery. If you see 152 point, it has came up from the extra closure. And then at the end of the day, 125.8 positive closure. So it clearly shows that it has a very good bullishness. And if you see at the day chart, the progress is very good. So it clearly break that saturation point, sideways the saturated point, then it is decently it's traveling in the upward moment. So the momentum also very good. So all this gives the still we have very good hope. Nifty will touch 24,500 and have a close near to that point. Let me see. Okay, now we will see our big brother US market. Yesterday it was a early closure, the exchange was early closure. Dow just marginally negative, 23 point negative closure, and S&P 500 28.5% positive closure, the broad market index, and Nasdaq 0.88% positive closure. So by the time of recording this video, UK market are very good positively trading, and the Euro market also decently in the positive. And today US market is holiday, we cannot expect that reflection tomorrow. And if you see the DJ yesterday, as though it is a early closure, it have a good progress in the upper side, then marginally it has closed in the negative, but the overall sentiment not distracted. And if you see the broad market index S&P 500, it has a very good progress. So it very well it has broke the sideways the saturation point, and it is keep moving in the higher side. So this giving hope that even US market go further in the higher side. So ultimately our Indian market correlate with US market. With that aspect, we can expect still our market have a space to go in the higher side. Okay, so I hope this video will be very much informative to you. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.